This is my project of machine learning. Import all the libraries and packages by SNP, Pandas, SPD, MATLAB, ML, PL, etc. Load Watson data. The Watson data is already in sklearn library. You have to import that and print the Watson DESCR description. So we can find the full form of the shortcuts which are used in data sheet. These all are the shortcuts, full form. Basic function we have to use features of Panda data frame. Data frame can convert the data set in the column wise and row wise. So we can get the table form and we can use dot head. Dot head can define the first five values of the datasheet: age, features age, and targeted the age. After that, we can targeted values. This will be the last values of the datasheet, or we can say the result. As we say, dot head can show me the five, and if we use target, this can print all the rows of target, as you can see here. After that, we can find the maximum targeted value, which is 50 in the target column, and minimum targeted value, which is 5 in the target column. After that, target data set. We can go through the target data set. Features, target, x is -1. We can add we can set the target at -1 of data sheet. Visualize in Boston asking and visualize the data. Decimal of 0.2. Decimal of 2 means we can find the two decimal places of everything, and we can describe the Boston in which we get the minimum, maximum, 25%, 50%, 100%, and all the averages, means, etc. Correlation. Correlations are of two types: positive correlation and negative correlation. Calculating the correlation between every columns of data set. Here we can get the after correlation we can get a bar graph at which we can find here is having shortcut and normalize the data. After that we can normalize the data. Instead of LST8 we can use RM and DIS also. Before normalization, we can use x scalar, y scalars, minimum, maximum scalars, and we can find the values. Defining error. There are we having 2 to 3 types of error. Mean square error, which is MSE. Here is the definition of function of MSE. We can split data After that, x train, x test, y train, y test, which is train size is equal to x comma y comma test size is equal to 0.2 decimal size. Building the module. Building module, we have used three functions. First is error, update, and gradual descent. In error function, we have to use this function. Update, we have to use this function. And gradual descent, we have to use this function. This function can't change, only values can differ. After that, percentage time. This is the magic function which can use to take the time of the system. After that, visualizing the learning process, plot the regional line and error values and change the negative answer through the thinking process. Plotting the regression line on the training data set. Here we can blue type of X train and we can get the line equation which is red, and here we can create the error graph, error and iterations, how much iterations. One side is error, y-axis shows the error and iteration shows the x-axis. After the animation within the minutes, we use animation model visualization. We can check the how much type of writing animation player is having. So we can check with this animation.write.list. So we get the list of the players. Normally we have only Pillow and HTML. So we have to install the FFmpeg player toolkit in Anaconda command prompt. Here we initialize the plot scalar and axis line and y-axis and update them. So we get the animation video. Now we can check again from the up to down and get the proper reasoning. Here is the final result of this. After that, the predictions of prices, we can predict the price. Here is the line equation prediction. Mean square error, y it has predicted. P is equal to PD dot data frame and x train, y train and predicted column, x comma trainer and predicted y, p dot hat, and x y train y. Here we get this predicted values, reverse normalization of the object and predicted price of housing in $1,000. Here is the algorithm which we can the x targeted y and predicted y values. Thank you. I am Dhruv Singh, learn machine learning from Skyfi Lab.